Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Amazon Seller Central reports for tax filing accuracy, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Reports tab in the main menu. Select the Fulfillment option from the drop-down menu. On the Fulfillment Reports page, look for the Sales section. Choose the date range for the reports you need. Click on the Generate Report button. Wait for the report to process, which may take a few moments. Once the report is generated, locate the Download button. Click on the Download button to save the report to your device. Open the downloaded report file using your preferred spreadsheet software. Review the details in the report for any discrepancies or missing data. Cross-reference this report with your sales records for accuracy. If necessary, rectify any discrepancies by consulting your past sales documentation. Next, go back to the Reports tab in Amazon Seller Central. This time, select the Inventory option from the drop-down menu. Choose the Inventory reports to determine your total inventory sold. Select the appropriate date range for this report as well. Generate the inventory report by clicking the Generate Report button. After the report processes, click the Download button to save it. Open this report in your spreadsheet software as well. Review the inventory data to ensure it matches your records. Now, gather all the financial documents required for tax filing. This includes bank statements and invoices related to your Amazon sales. Organize all of these documents systematically for easy access. Consider using accounting software to streamline this process. Import the Amazon reports into the accounting software. Ensure all data aligns with the financial records you'll be filing. Pay special attention to sales tax collected on your Amazon sales. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.